all my viewers out there. Today we'll be discussing about 5G technology, and this is basically the fifth generation advancement made in mobile communication, which allows us to experience seamless connectivity. And let's discuss on how this particular technology or generation overtakes all other generation which we are using presently. So come on viewers, let's discuss about this technology in depth, and let's understand about our future in much better way, because we all need mobile communication, right? These technologies have a new switching system called as packet switch wireless system, which uses orthogonal frequency division multiplexing with wide area coverage. And when we happen to use this technology, the throughput is damn high because we are using millimeter wave technology here. And the when I speak about millimeter wave, the wavelength which is range from 10 millimeter to 1 millimeter is used here. Because of this millimeter wave which is used, the frequency range also goes high, that is about 30 gigahertz to 300 gigahertz can be achieved in this technology. Once we reach up to this frequency level, definitely the data rate of the technology or the communication increases. So the data rate here is around 20 mbps with a distance up to 2 kilometers. And in this millimeter wave band, we it is the most effective solution to the recent surge of wireless internet usage, which is capable of providing wireless world wide web, that is www applications. So using 5G, you can adapt the present application, that is what is www which we are using right now, to worldwide wireless web, which is designed for mobile world where consumer expects seamless connectivity. One of the important technology that had made advancement in using 5G technology is www applications. This application is highly flexible, which provides us a network from 5 megahertz and 20 megahertz. Optimally, it can reach up to 40 megahertz. And here we'll be using dynamic ad hoc wireless network or DON networks. Okay, to employ this particular network, we need a special intelligent antenna such as Swift switch beam antenna or adaptive array antenna. Here, using this antenna, the modulation is quite flexible. And here, with these modulation, we happen to get a bidirectional high bandwidth signals, which are basically used to transfer a large volume of broadcasting data in gigabytes, sustaining more than 60,000 connections and providing up to 25 mbps connectivity. With the advent of 5G, Piconet and Bluetooth technology will become outdated. 5G technology will ensure the convergence of networks, technologies, applications, and services, and can serve as a flexible platform. So, we can definitely say 5G technology is much better than that of the other generations that we have used presently. In short time, this will change people's lives in numerous ways. So, let's all enjoy this new technology and update ourselves to the more efficient lifestyle. And using this technology, our lifestyle will tremendously change because we do have a seamless connection over here. So, with all these insights, thank you viewers to watch this video. Hope this video made some sense about our immediate future. And thank you once again.